currently for the ACA creation tool, I think I send the exe to you, right? Do you have the exe?
Yes, we passed it, but anyhow, the vendor needs the demo.
Okay, one second.
Bala,
Yes, yes,
can you
Nivasa.
start showing demo, Bala? If in case if they are not received the tool, we can send it again, no problem.
One second, Nivasa. I'll just check the tool and then for the demo.
Okay.
Nivasa, I'll share my screen.
Which tool are we going to show now, Bala?
Yes,
Yes, type.
yes, is the time.
So, okay, vendors, please note that we are going to show the SZI creation. I mean, it's a zoning file that we need to pick from the PDF. So that is the one of the, I mean, tool we supplied already. Already, if anyone don't doesn't receive the tool, please let me know. We can pass it again. No, see, this is the last session we are going to conduct about the demo. So please note clearly and let us have a if any query in the call itself. So the tool name is SZI. Bala is going to show now. It's zoning.
So basically, uh, for the zoning tool, we have PDF and ACA is a major input for our tool, I mean, for the Spicer tool. So PDF, we have the PDF. By using some logic, we used to split the PDF in this format. It should be at any number. So what we need to do is it should be we should select the I mean the directory location. First, I'll open the tool. So this is a exe we have. So first we just open the command prompt, and then we just copy this path of the exe. We just put that is the first one, and we need to apply space, and next we need to give uh, the entire directory because basically it has some multiple PDF. It might be 50 or 60. And for the testing purpose, I'll show only this. So we just copy this path, and once we press the directory, we just press the enter button. So it will do some process, and finally we can able to see the XEA file. Wait, one second. I just so basically we have some one second. I'll go to this location. Wait. Yes, I forgot to tell one thing. So we have the int file here. So for the int file we have is here. So we need to put the in path and out path. So in path is whatever PDF you put, we can put in the in path. Once we processed and the final ACI and PDF helps in the out path. Wait, I'll open that. See here, so in this path we have PDF. So in the out path, we have the ACA files. And the thing is that in your machine, so this is the EX we have. Just first step, we just open the config file. It should be in path. You can put the PDF. In out path, the output ACA will be in this path. So once you press that, you just simply press the EXE button. So it will be automatically as ACA process will be done. Do you have any query in the existing process?
Okay, Bala, let me summarize it. Okay,
Yeah, please,
we
please.
supply you the EXE and the supporting folders. You have
Yes.
to place it in your local drive. So he has placed in the D drive, and you need to declare the file path in the INI file, and then just simply run the exe is enough to generate SZI. Is that clear to everyone? So the purpose of SZI generation is zoning. I mean, we cannot directly zone the styles directly in the PDF. So we need to generate SZI. In that SZI, you can zone the file like Abhi. See, you are all very well know Abhi, right? We need to zone the paragraph, figures, tables, and all, right? Likewise, we need to zone the styles in the PDF. For that, we need to generate SZI. The tool supports to generate the SZI. Is that clear to everyone? Let us
Yes,
know if
yes.
you have
Yes,
any
yes.
clarification. Yes. Tell me, Chaudhary.
But this tool we are not yet received from your end. Please provide once the
Okay,
design.
I will forward it again. The tool name is SZI generation. We will forward it again now. So you are clear, right? Sorry. Tell me what. Hello.
Go ahead, boss.
Chaudhary, is that clear?
Yes. Clear.
Okay. Jeffrey, we will please note we will forward SZI tool again, Jeffrey.
Yes, yes.
So
Sharing
no query about SZI generation, right? Is that clear to everyone?
I think it will be clear if the vendor already received the tool, but unfortunately it was not forwarded to them yet.
All right,
That's why
Jeffrey.
that's
After generated SZI, we need to split the tool. I mean, we'll show you how to split the tool, Bala.
yeah. Thanks.
Before generating SZI, we need to split the tool. We have developed a tool to split the tool to ease your process. Bala Armukam.
Yes.
Bala, can you show us the split up process?
Yeah.
The tool that will be discussed is about the PDF auto split.
See, we developed that this tool just to ease their process. They manually doing splitting, correct?
Okay.
And there might be chances to make a mistake. So for that we developed a tool that supports to split the tool with the file naming convention, what we suggest in the Cambridge instruction documents. So Bala will, from the technology, will show how to run the tool and the usage of the tool. Bala, over to you, Bala.
Okay, viewers, I'll take it from. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone can see my screen, right?
Yes, Bala.
So I'm going to show about the PDF split process. Meaning we received the book level PDF, right? So everyone received the input as a book level PDF like this, right?
That's the input,
Yeah.
Bala.
The, the input for the EPUB creation will be the merged level PDF, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So for every EPUB process, we need to split into chapters, front matters, back matters, right? This is a manual task. So Nivas requested us to create a tool to split the PDF into merge the PDF into chapters automatically. So we prepared one tool for that. So I am going to show that tool for your understanding. So before execute the PDF split tool, we need to create one metadata. Okay, the metadata file naming will be same like PDF file naming. See, this is a PDF file naming. The metadata file naming should be same. Okay. So inside the metadata, we have to fill these details before splitting the PDF file. So we have to give the ISBN, 13 digits ISBN. Okay.
Bala,
Yes.
the metadata is a general template.
Yes, it is a
Okay.
general template. So the sequence will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is a 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence. You can drag and drop how many components you have entered. Okay, and this one. So you have to open the PDF. Okay, go to page. This is the page 1. Okay, so you have to enter. It is a cover or FM or there is a drag down option. You have to select cover. For first page, page number will be 1, start page and end page. Okay. The next is a blank page. Don't worry about that. This is a FM page. So the FM you have to select as a FM 3 start page and end page also 3. And this is also another FM component. You have to select the FM starting page 4. And title page also FM page start page end page. Copyright page also FM start page end page. And this is the TOC page. You have to select as a FM. A starting page 7 to 12. Okay. So based on this, based on the what I did, you have to mark the page number, start page numbers, end page numbers properly. You have to select the component type properly. So selected incorrectly, then tool will the file name will be happened incorrectly. Okay. So please be careful for this meta creation. Okay. So you have appendix, back matter, and mostly other will not available. Other will not present in the PDF. Okay. Mostly it will be cover, FM, part, chapter, appendices. Appendices means there is a one component appendices. Okay. For that page, you have to select this type. Rest of appendix A, appendix B, appendix D, you have to select this. So other BMs, glossary, bibliography, index, whatever it is a BM back matter component, you have to select as a back matter component. Whatever is a FM component, series page, after title page, copyright page, dedication page, preface, contents, whatever it is, you have to select as a FM. Cover page, you can straight away the cover. Okay. So far, I didn't see the back cover for the EPUB project, so we have not included the back cover in this list. Okay. So once you created this Excel, yes.
Excuse me, Bala. Can you show the difference between the appendix and the appendices?
Appendices.
So the PDF.
Yeah, appendices means sometimes you will have the page like appendices. In this sample, we don't have that sample, that appendices. I will show another PDF to you. Okay. See, here you can find part 4. So you can select, sometimes the part 4 will not come. Sometimes this content will not come. Sometimes directly it will be appendices. Okay. For that case, you have to select it as appendices. Okay. Here also the part label, maybe you can directly select the appendices. Not a problem. Okay. For body matter component, we have to, if the body matter component has a part 5, for example, here. See, there is no part. See, for this page, you have to select as a part component. Okay. See this one. Start page 25, end page also 25. Don't add the blank pages in the metadata. Okay. Because it will cause some problems. Calculate the pages. So once you will prepare this Excel sheet, just close it and we can start the next processor to execute the tool. Okay. So you have to open the command prompt. So sorry, no need to open the command prompt. You may get the exe vendor version like this folder. Whatever is a tool folder, you have a exe here, and there is a PDF bookmarks filter.exe config. So here you have to open that config file. Right click and open it in Notepad++. Just you have to place the PDF and the Excel sheet file placed location. Wherever you have placed that input Excel metadata and PDF, no, you have to select that folder. Here I have say placed one PDF and one metadata. You can place multiple PDFs as well. Multiple PDFs and multiple metadata Excel. You can place it here. So just config this location here. Okay. And you have to specify the output path. So here I specify the output folder. So there is empty. You have to specify the output folder. Then close that, save and close it, this config file. And then you have to just click the exe. Sorry. I mistakenly click the incorrect file. Just click this exe. So exe will exe will read that config file and find the input locations and PDFs and the metadatas, and the tool will execute the tool will split the PDFs into multiple PDFs based on the metadata we have provided. Once it's completed, you will get the output in here itself. So the output folder will be created based on the ISBN you have specified in the metadata Excel sheet. Then you will have the output PDFs here, splitted PDFs. So cover PDF, only cover page. So tool will add the sequence file number as a first suffix, sorry, first prefix. And then middle of the prefix, there will be last 5-digit ISBN from the input ISBN provided in the metadata. Then this suffix will be added based on the information we have selected here. In the metadata we have selected no, cover, FM no. So based on this, the file naming will be, the suffix will be appended at the end of the file name. FM1, FM2. This sequence, see here there are around 7 FMs. So sequence number will be added here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And part will be added. More than one part means part will be here one part and here one part, here one part. So this sequence will be happened. 1, 2, 3 like this. Appendix means appendix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can place the PDF and metadata here. You just config the input path and output path. Just click the exe. It will execute the output files here. And one more information I'm adding here. So the page number, we will have the page number in different formats. So sometimes the page number will be come like this. Sometimes the actual page number have 1 to 500. For display purpose, sometimes they will add C1 for cover and Roman numbers I. And Nivas, do you have this type of PDF sample, Nivas?
One second, boss.
Yeah, because I have only the current normal range of PDF page. So please note it down. Don't use the print page number in the Excel sheet. Okay. So you should not use the print page numbers. Sometimes PDF display have the print page number here in the bottom of the line or top of the window based on the screen reader. Okay. In Acrobat, it will show here. So I will show one sample with you. Karthik actually shared one sample for me. Yeah. Are you able to see my screen here? Yeah.
Yes, but
Yeah. Here, the display purpose they have used cover. Okay. We should not use the cover here. We have to use the actual page number after the bracket. The page number has been hidden here. This is a 1 of 350. Okay. 1 of 350. 1 of 350 for cover. This is a cover page. We have to use as a 1. Okay. Here you can see cover bracket 1 of 30. For this type of input, we have to use as a 1 is the page number, start page number, and 1 is the end page number because cover page is a single page. Okay. The next two component you may have like this I 1, 2 of 50. So here you have to use the starting page number 2 and ending page number, whatever it is. Okay. You have any doubt on this? Is this clear?
Yes, clear.
Yeah.
yes,
This is a step you have to follow for PDF split process. So Nivas will share the tool with you. This is there is no need to set up the tool. This is a local. You can once Nivas provided the tool, you can just copy the tool and place it in the local folder and just open the config file. Just place the input location which has a PDF and metadata Excel sheets and output location. That just execute the file. If the output is not generated, there is a folder called CEP EPUB PDF split log. There is the log file will be generated date-wise. Today is a 5th June. 5th June, there is a log file generated with date. Times, there is no timestamp, only date. Here, you will have a log report. If there is any issues, means you will get the information here. So and so problem. Sometimes the user may input the wrong page number. Here 2, here 1. So there is some mismatches. No, that time a tool will get some confused. It will show the log. The error will be reported in the log report. Okay. Please be aware of this tool before. So please input the page numbers properly in the metadata file. Then execute the tool, because before execute the tool, you can double check the metadata. This is a proper way to run this tool. So please ask your question if you have any.
yeah. Bala, with regards to the log report, we easily determine the log error.
Yeah. You just once you receive the tool, no, you just input the wrong page, starting end page. See, always the page starting page number should not less than the end page number, right? Sorry, end page number should not less than the starting page number, right? So that case, we have added some validations for empty page numbers and all. So you will get the error. I will give one example with you, so you can easily identify.
Much better.
Yeah. See, just I will put it as a one page number empty. Okay. This is 18. This is 12 means this is error, right?
Yes.
Yes. And then always it is a lower number, higher number. This is a higher number. This is a lower
Of
number.
interchange. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That's a good example.
51,
Okay.
60. Okay, the same only. Okay,
Hmm.
and just again start page number. Here I will put an empty. Okay. I'm just deleting it. It's going and again run it again. See, it will also show error here. Sir, I just confused. So tool will give the log report here. See, right?
Okay. Yeah. That's
Yeah.
right. And the system will not proceed if
Yeah.
there is. Okay.
If there is error, means it will stop the process.
Hmm.
So here, line number, you will get a N page from row number 8. Row number 8 is this number. Okay, row number 8 is a Excel row number. Okay. Then you will, I'm just putting it 8 like example. Again, I run one more time. See, next it's going here. Row number 10. A start page 18 is greater than end page. Okay. So this is not error. Here also the error will be appended here. Okay. So you can correct one by one and run the two. Okay. That's it. Any questions from anyone?
Everyone, do you have questions? I don't have any other further questions or clarification in the process. I was able to understand it clearly. I hope you also able to understand it clearly. Yes, Katagata, do you have questions?
No, I have no question.
Okay.
Clear.
All clear, right?
Yes. Okay. Nivas?
Yes, Bala.
Nivas, shall we stop it or it?
Bala,
I
and
need to
also
continue
need to show the conversion and packaging process, Bala.
Convention, huh? Okay.
Ah.
So everyone know
So-
the styling and all, right?
Yes.
Only-
They already have a copy of the conversion and packaging.
Okay.
Bala,
Hmm.
but we are going in a zigzag manner, but so we need to convey the information in a sequence manner. But Bala Somasundaram, can we show the auto zoning process or how to zone the PDF files before going conversion and package creation?
Basically, you're asking about the zoning tool, Nivas.
Yes, zoning. Yes, Bala. We can complete we can cover all the process of that.
This will be the next process, Nibas, right? After the
Yeah, but actually the first process will be PDF splitting,
yeah.
and the second process will be generation of SZI, which is shown by Bala Somasundaram earlier,
Okay.
and then a zoning process, which is going to show now. I'll sequence it and summarize in at the moment of now.
And Nivas, one thing I want to ask you, did you show the autofill creation to vendors?
No, no, Bala, we have not.
Okay,
yet,
I'll also show that one.
okay,
Yes.
auto zoning tool we had to supply.
Okay,
We can
I'll
complete it.
just
So the process now we are going to show is auto zoning. See, we also, developed as automation in the zoning process. So once you while you have opened the SCCTI file, it will automatically zone all the elements. In case of any mistakes or there is a possible to identify the wrong structure by the tool. So at that case, we need to do it manually and then convert the file into HTML. So we'll show you auto zoning process. Bala, about it.
So the thing is that, so this is a tool given by machine learning team. So what we need to do, first step is we need to copy the directory, and then we just open the command prompt. Yes, this is the first step. Next, we'll go to the exe name. The first step should, I think I'll share the, the user manual, but I'll explain again. So we have, yes. Yes.
How long you will take for that process? Because I'm going to take my
So
breakfast.
based on the PDF size, Balasubramanian.
So no. How long will it take to complete this process, this session?
Hi, Nevis. Office mail, please check none.
How long
Ten
means
minutes.
based on
10
the
minutes.
process?
என்னென்ன பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் எடுக்க போகணும் அதுதான் கேட்குறேன் எவ்வளோ டைம் ஆகும் நான் போயிட்டு வந்துடுவேன்
ஒரு 10 minutes முடிச்சிடும்.
Okay, I will join again 10:20. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
The thing is that first we need to go to the exe and we need to apply the space. Next one, we need to select the directory. This is a directory. It might contain n number of PDF. So what we need to, we just copy the directory, exe, and we need to apply the, next we need to press the enter. So it will take some couple of seconds to start the ML process. Just wait for a while.
Are we declaring the PDF directly? Is it not a SSH file?
So basically, Nivas, it should be same location, Nivas. So we can create first auto zone, and for example, here we have the, wait, I'll show. So in this process, in the one folder, we will put all the PDF. Once it is complete, we have the PDF and SEA here. So we can also put the same location in this path. So we can also,
It's
instead of
not
that,
required here to generate SSH. It will automatically create it, right?
no. So this is auto file creation separate process, and SEA is a separate process. But for the spy zone, we need SEA and auto is an input file. I mean PDF, SEA and auto file. So wait, I think. Wait, so this is the one that currently
Let me
process.
clarify with the
Yes.
process. You'll be needing two inputs, the PDF split and the ECI. For this process, you'll be needing two inputs, right?
So once it is succeed, we can able to see the auto file here. So in this auto file, what is happen is it have all the zone information. For example, page number, some I'll show on the tool how it is showing. Okay, now first step what we can do is just go to the location. So this is a folder was given by Nivas. You just go to first spice it WMS tool, and you need to press the exe, spice it WMS exe. First you open, and what are the files we need is so input is PDF file and auto and SEA file. So this is an input for this tool. What
Okay,
we need-
then the process is now shown showing is to generate auto file, correct, Bala?
Yes,
So we are
yes,
we already create the SSAT file and we have a PDF, and the process now shown is to create auto file. So we
yes,
need to
yes,
declare. I mean, we need to copy this path for auto zoning,
yes.
right?
So, for example, we can also put multiple PDF, but what we need is for each and every PDF should have SCI and autofill. This is the one. So, for example, we also have multiple PDF. For example, we have 4 or 5 PDF set, but each PDF should have this pre-process file. I'll just first upload this file first. For this case, I'll put the job ID for you can also put the ISP number for the demo purpose. I'll put some other name, but for job ID, the better one is you can put the ISB number like this, and you can upload it. So we have the file. So this all file will be stored at in this location. This storage path, we have this. So all information, once we do whatever thing, it will be stored in this path. So once we open the tool, first is zoning process. Just a double click here for zoning. Yes. So once you open the tool with the help of this auto file, here we have the auto file, right? With the help of this auto file, we can have all the auto zone example. For example, we can see yes, you can see here it will be automatically loaded. For example, if you modify any zone means you can modify here. For example, sometime auto zone will not be 100% accurate sometime. For this case, you can select here and you can select the appropriate style. You can simply select it. And the once we have all the zones, for example, if it is not 100% match means the zone is partially zoned. For that case, what you need to do is select this button and you can also adjust the zone. If you want to adjust the zone, you can adjust it. And the operator verify all the pages, all zones are
Please check none.
properly extracted. If you see here, it is not the footnote is not properly there. Just simply adjust it. That's it. Okay, and because if you see here, this sequence number is wrong here because it should be 3, it should be 4, should be 5, 6. So based on this sequence, the content will be extracted. We need to make sure all contents are in the sequence order. Mostly it will be correct, but because of this image, it will be wrong sometimes. So, this is sequence, and here is it is okay. And we need to verify all the pages. If you want to zoom out, we have an option here. You simply zoom out here. We need to ensure all zones are correct. The same issue here we have. It should be 7. Similarly, for some footnote, we already send the information to ML thing to adjust this. And we have option here also. If we see here something we cannot able to see, we have option like hide zone number, so we can see it is properly zoned. Now, so the thing is that once you verify all zones are properly applied. Next, we need to select a profile name. For example, it should be chapter, session, whatever. We have some list of things. Just select the profile name and then you press the OCR. If you missed, means what will happen is it will show one warning sometime. It will not be processed. So you press chapter and press the OCR. We have some warning here. Just if it is valid, you can use it. And for now, we also have some option like merge with previous zone. For example, show number. So this particular paragraph should be merged with this one. Yeah, this is a one. So what we need to do is just go on, press the right click key, and then that is option merge with previous zone with space. So this particular para will be merged with this paragraph. I'll press OCR again. Okay, the zoning process completed. Next is the verification process. Okay, so in the PDF, what are the soft hyphen in the PDF will be highlighted here. If it is matched with the dictionary means it will be automatically selected. If it is not matched with dictionary means you just go and select. We need to check this hyphen is in the mandatory or not. So if it is correct means we just select this button. So once the content is extracted, this value will be matched with here. The soft hyphen will be removed. So we need to check if it is matched, there will be no problem. So this hyphen is being mandatory. So we simply ignore this. And we need to verify all this soft hyphen model. In case something it is missed or wrongly identified means we can simply uncheck this. For example, it is not needed means we can simply uncheck this. So once you verified all the soft hyphen, next what you need to do is go and verify the content here. We have a shortcut here, so we can press F1. So if it does not match with English dictionary, what will happen is it will be highlighted here. So the operator have to verify it is correct or not. Just press F2. So we are highlighting what are the items is not with English dictionary, only we are showing here. Similarly, we just verify all of them. So we have a shortcut here, F2 and F1. And see here, somewhat what happened is because of the zoning, we are not corrected. This will be extracted. We simply have to deal with this.
So the text will not come in case if you are not we're not verified the zoning exactly, Jeffrey. So in case if they miss to check this, then the text will not convert it.
So what are the thing we need to carefully see is this superscript for the footnote is mandatory for we need to ensure it has been mostly will be extracted. If it is not, we need to check manually. For example, we need to apply any sometime what happens because of the PDF rendering issue, some bold and italic is not applied. For that case, we have some shortcut here. We can press the button Control B, or it's up to us. We need means we can apply for italic or whatever. So what are the correction we made here? Those will be extracted to the next stage. Okay. Once we verify all the page, we have warning here. All page zones are verified. Once you do everything, next you need to press the button, short tag creation button. So we have a shortcut key, we have successfully created. So this verification process completed. Next one is the conversion process. So here we have all the external content. Yes, yes, please.
No, can you go back to the previous screen number? The 100% they should have be completed. If the whatever the process that we need to explain. So okay, go ahead, Bala, and then I'll explain.
Okay. The thing is that whatever correction we made, so all correction will be in this process. From here to what we need to do, we need to press the button conversion. So if it is not, some error is there, means we have some log report. I will just check this one. Bala's problem where Bala? Bala's problem?
Yes,
Yeah.
join.
Yes, Bala. So Bala's problem in the conversion tool, usually we have some log file, right? If it is any error in the conversion, we have log file. But here there is no log file. And you please inform to Shivpriya for this one.
Which log file you are asking?
So basically, we have some shortcut to XML conversion
Correct,
here, right?
correct, Balakamara. This is HTML conversion. There will be no any log file generated because you are asking about the log file, means whether we need to validate the XML file or we have to.
The thing is that we are doing shortcut to XML conversion, right? So we getting the warning, conversion is failed. So it
Correct.
is happening is some issue with the conversion tool. If it is failed, means the
So you are asking about tool execution, whether it is
yes,
running
yes.
correctly or not. You can
Yes.
just email with
Sure. I'll share the sample. For
no,
the-
no, you will receive
Kindly-
the exe from Shivpriya. No, in that email itself, you can just give it to him to share some log file, whether it is converted properly or it has any error like that.
Okay. One sec. I'll show some other completed file. So I'll do one thing. I'll open some other file for the testing purpose. It will be same. Once I press the conversion, this is a conversion output we have. So for the each and every file, we have from PDF to XHTML file. And in case we have any images, means it will be in this folder. we have extracted some zoned images, right? The figure image will be extracted here. For example, inline, whatever will be in this format. So in this tool, we are seeing from, zoning, verification, and conversion. So our aim is from PDF to XHTML. And once you finish this, just
hold on, Bala.
yes, go.
This is a screen I want to show them. See, the zoning, verification, and success. See, all the things need to be fulfilled with a 100% success process. So here, see, zoning is 100% and the verification is 100. And what about structure, Bala? It's showing 0%.
No, because the particular file we are facing some
If
conversion
it is
is-
not an issue, then it should also be 100%, right? Hello?
yes, Nivas. Yes.
If it is not an issue, if we are not facing any conversion issue, then the structure process will also come to 100%, right?
Yes, exactly.
So then you all need to ensure that the zoning, verification, and structure need to fulfill the Zen percentage process. Then only the output will come accurately what we expected. Okay, Bala, go ahead.
Oh,
So any doubt? What he has shown is auto zoning and verification and then conversion. After conversion, you will be receive a text file, right, Bala?
yes. Sorry, Nivas. Come again.
After conversion, they will the output will be the text file, right?
Yes. The final file will be EXHTML. So we need to collect all the XHTML and we need to go to the packaging tool and packaging or validation.
We stopped up to conversion, right, due to some problem. What the output will they be received? Text file, right? Text file. From text to HTML, we have a separate tool, correct?
Yes.
That is Bala Subramanian going to show. So let me summarize what the tool has explained. See, after PDF splitting, we need to generate the SSA type file, and then we need to generate the auto zoning file. All the files will be placed in the, the folder what we have mentioned. So from that, you have to ensure is if ever all the zoning is zoned properly, and then you need to go to the verification stage. In the verification stage, you need to ensure the content. We have included an option that spell check that will be checking based on the dictionary, English dictionary. So you can correct the spelling mistake in there itself, and then hyphenation issues. All the things will be shown in the verification process. So after verified everything, you will get a proper output text file. From the text file, we will supply a conversion to text to HTML, and then HTML to package creation, EPUB package creation, and then validation. That will be explained by Bala Subramanian. Bala, over to you, Bala.
Okay, yes, I will share my screen now.
Sorry, Bala. Do you have any questions in the in the text file conversion and auto splitting, auto zoning? Auto zoning. Jeffrey, please ensure that everyone is clear, Jeffrey.
Yeah, Nibas, I understand it clearly. I believe all the vendors were able to catch it clearly also, as they are more technical than me. I was able to understand it. So I believe all the vendors were able to understand it also.
Please raise your hand in case if you have any questions. We can clear it in the session itself. So we are running out of time already.
Anyone from the vendors? Do you have further question?
No question right now, Jeffrey. But we need to test after receiving the tools, and after receiving the tools, we need to test.
Okay. I believe I already provided the updated conversion and packaging tool.
Yeah, packaging tool received.
Yeah, same as well, the PDF and auto tool.
Yeah.
What's remaining is the SPX tool that are yet to receive from Nibas team. I will share it once received.
Okay, okay. And just send the recording also.
Yeah.
For our reference.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, Balasubramanian. Over to you.
Balakumaran, before starting the demo, Nivas and Balakumaran, which two are they going to use for short active existing conversion? Whether they're going to use a SpiceSet tool or a standalone model?
So basically, Bala, for the testing purpose, we can use the console Bala. So if they move to here means from short time, we can use a SpiceSet.
Okay, because why I'm asking is the vendor version should have the latest version in your tool.
Okay.
So
I
latest
will-
version, the latest version of conversion tool should be integrated in the SpiceSet. Then only the output will be latest. Otherwise, standalone version have a different output. SpiceSet version has a different output.
Okay.
So I'm
Okay, Bala, we'll do one thing. We also check with. I will also check with Shivpriya and get the in the last version, and we
Yes.
can once again to the version to all the vendors.
yes.
Univas, and you will
So-
start.
Okay.
Yes, well, I thought to ask the same question. After
Yes.
post the session, we need to pass the updated tool, which has explained in the session.
Yes.
Balakumaran.
The standalone version and the SpiceSet conversion version should be same. Okay.
Ah,
So from the vendor version should be sent any one of the point of control, either Balakumaran. They're going to send any update means if they're going to send any update of the conversion tool means the Balakumaran should send that latest tool. Okay. Because it's standalone version also we can send it separately.
okay,
But-
Balasubramanian. But I hope the tool is ready, right, Balakumaran?
Yes, Niva. So the
We need to
whatever-
send it immediately. I post the call, Balakumaran.
Okay. So the thing is, for the testing purpose only, we have separate tool for conversion. If it is okay, then we will be passed all the conversion points are fixed means we can integrate in our SpiceSet tool.
Okay, that is ready, right? Or we
Yes. But the thing is that, so as Balasman said, I need to ensure that whatever conversion version I'm having and Shivpriya having should be same. After this call, I will check and confirm, and I'll share all the updated tool to you once again.
All right. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
but
Okay. Resume again actually. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, Bala.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just going to show about the short act to existing conversion. Short act is an output of the zoning file. Okay. Before this demo, before the session, Balakumaran showed about the zoning and short act creation. No, so that text file is the input for this demo. Nivas, are they going to use the Notepad++ or which editor, Nivas?
Notepad is recommended, Bala, but the vendors are using different editor. I mean, Epsilon,
Yeah,
Eldra,
because if it is Notepad++, we can have it as a shortcut to convert over.
So our recommendation is to use the Notepad++, right?
So I
we
will,
can-
I just showing about the standalone version. Okay. See, for shortcut to existing conversion, you have to map the exe path first here. Okay. Then you can specify the single file or multiple files folder. Okay. So here, this is the output of zoning process cover. We have this component cover. This is the FM file half title. So during the zoning process, a tool will ask what type of component it is, whether it is a half title, series page, whatever it is. Once you selected, the short tag file will have like this type series and title page and copyright page, dedication. So I have placed two types of dedication here for testing purpose. TOC. So you should zone properly to get the proper text file. Okay. Once again, I'm telling you here. This is another type of TOC. So you should place the all short tag file. You can run single file or you can run multiple files. So I'm just running the batch process. Yeah. Just give the input path and just enter. The tool will generate the HTML file in the same location. Sorry, guys, something is hanging here. I'm just closing again. I'm just give one file. Sorry that my Akap's connection is disconnected. Wait, I will connect it and show it again. Nivas, wait for few seconds, okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay, guys. Just share my screen again. Okay, everyone can see my screen, right?
Yes, Bala, can you please
Yeah.
see your screen?
Now I just enter it again. It's processing here. See, it is little bit late due to some network issue. In vendor versions, you will get the output fastly. Don't worry about that. Process completed. You will hit the HTML file here. So you can open the XHTML and just do the QC, whatever it is. See, the HTML will be converted properly if the input is incorrect. Okay. The input short tag file is incorrect means the file will not convert properly. For example, see, this is a short tag file. So main title is a chapter or a component type is chapter. You will get the EPUB type properly here. If the main title means it will give the H1 tag properly here. The subtitle means you will get the subtitle properly here. Author names, chapter author, chapter affiliation. If it is a chapter TOC present, you will get the proper output. There is a epigraph presence before in the front of chapter page. You will get it in proper tag with proper EPUB type, proper whole description bar. So this is the first level reading. Don't confuse the H1 here. This H1 meaning for heading 1, not for H1 HTML tag. So the main title is a chapter title. The component level title should be, it's a main title. For example, this title should always, you should style as the main title. Okay. So this heading should be a H1. During this zoning process, you have to select as a H1. This is H2. So based on the styling, you will get the proper, see this is H2 means you will get the proper section, nesting, closing and all H3. So please zone the input file properly and you will get the proper output. So here you can just open the HTML, you can just do the QC. So this is the thing, this is a way to convert it into short tag to HTML. So you can run it, you can run the a single file or you can run the multiple files as well. See here I am giving the body this complete path. See, a tool will converting the short tag into HTML one by one based on the. So you will get the HTML file here. Okay. The last file is converting. So you will get the HTML file here. So linking, see the internal linking will be happened in the conversion stage. The external linking, chapters to chapters, will be converted in the package creation stage. Okay, once all the HTML files are ready, then only we can execute the external linking. Yes, please discuss with the vendors and let me know, Srinivas, whether the external linking should be happened before or it should be packaged in package process. Okay, now it is in package process only. Okay.
Okay.
Currently, the conversion tool handle only the internal linking.
Okay. The conversion will handle internal and the package will handle the external.
Because sometimes the
Yeah,
package,
only then
sometimes
we can, the linking will be concluded correctly, right?
yes.
Wow.
Because see, this is the chapter section 10.2. The 10.2 10th chapter should be present here. So please discuss. If you want to separate tool for the external linking, means we can take it from. We can give the separate tool for external linking and we'll remove it in the package stage. Okay.
It's okay, Bala, but the current scenario is the external link will be placed after the package creation, correct?
Yes.
Okay, in case of
During
missing
it's not after the package creation. It is happened inside the package creation.
Okay, that is understood. But for missing cases, they have to do manually, Bala.
Yeah, after the package creation, you have to check whether any link is missing or not.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the tool for short tag conversion. The same thing I am applying for FM also. FM also will get the proper output. Srinivas, the structure is should be a proper way to get the proper output. Again, I am telling. This is the cover. This is the half title page. This is the series page. This is the title page. Title page also you will get the proper EPUB type and all. The input is correct. Okay. FM logo as well. I'm just showing about the TOC file. So this is not a correct file because I'm there for testing purpose. There is a dummy link here. Okay. So TOC is a key for creating the navigation in NCX. So the package tool will check the TOC file with the higher level intent. So sometimes a book will have two TOC, detailed TOC or short TOC. Okay, a tool will check the detailed TOC and include it in the navigation. Okay, there is a one TOC. The tool will include the TOC as a navigation file. A tool will check whether the TOC captured in the ULLI. Then only a tool will create the navigation in NCX. If you created the TOCs in para tags, the tool will not execute it. The package tool will not create the navigation and the NCX file. So short tag to HTML conversion also, the tool will create it into HTML file, HTML list only, not in the para tags. For example, this is a short-tag file. So once you style the TOC, will get like this. So once it's created, the TOC will be converted into an HTML list only. If you manually change as a para tag means, and the next step, navigation and exit file will not happen properly. Okay, so keep it in mind. So please create the TOC file properly. Okay, this is a step for short tag to XHTML conversion. I'm just moving to package creation. Okay. Do you have any questions about the short tag to XHTML conversion now? Nivas, anyone have any questions, or shall I move now?
Jeffrey, hope no one has queries. Query. Huh? Please let us know if you have any queries, vendors. I mean, questions need to ask about the conversion, short tag to HTML conversion. So no questions, brother.
No
Can-
query.
Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to show about the package creation process. Okay. Let's assume you have completed the HTML files QC, you have completed the zoning, and you have completed short tag to XHTML conversion. You just do the QC and all. If this is a package, the XHTML files are ready for the package creation means you just create one folder, any naming. It's not a problem. Okay. You should place the all HTML in this path. You should place the all HTML files here. Okay. And you have to place the image folder. What are all the images declared in the HTML? You should place the images here, a folder name called images. Okay. So I'm just going to execute the tool. Same, you have to open the command prompt. See, just give the exe path and the XHTML file path. This is the XHTML file path. And you have to specify the EISBN. EISBN, any you can give the correct EISBN here. For demo purpose, I am using the dummy ISBN here. For live, during the live, you have to give the proper 13-digit EPUB ISBN. And next is a print ISBN. So print ISBN is needed for metadata purpose. This is a print ISBN. Here also I am using a dummy value. Okay, just give enter. A tool will process the HTML. A tool will link the XHTML linking. What are the file available in the HTML? A tool will create the NCX and navigation file, and the tool will create the package and validate the EPUB package against latest version of EPUB checker, and you will get the EPUB file log report inside that XHTML folder. So validate the EPUB package is going on. Package is created here. Now the log file is generated. Wait. So if you after the package creation, you have to work on the package files only. You don't work on the XHTML files in this location. Okay, because the external linking will be happen inside this EPUB package only. If you found any errors, you are directly going to work here means the linking will not present here. So please keep it in mind. So validate EPUB package is taking some time for package validating the EPUB file. I think this is also happening due to some network issue. For your render version, you will get the log file fastly. See, this is a dummy file for testing purpose we have created. Here there are so many errors. There are 274 KB. There are a lot of errors. That's why it's taking more time. Process is completed. So you will get the EPUB file here based on the client file naming that is ISBN underscore dot underscore LLM dot EPUB. So now you can extract the folder and you can do the QC again if required in the package process. So tool will meta file will be created. All the HTML files placed here. Navigation also created. Nav-C. Here navigation has generated based on the TOC file I have shown earlier. The tool will include the new page, new front matter items apart from TOC. Cover, off title, CS page, title page, corporate page, education page, whatever present. And tool will include the page number if it is present in the HTML. A tool will create the landmarks as a minimal value, cover page, content, begin ready index. If you want to include more files, you can add it here. If you give the requirement, I will add it here. N6 also the same. The TOC file is correct. The N6 also will be here. Yes, you have asked question, no?
Yes, bro.
If the input is correct, means that a tool will generate the N6 file as well.
The page list.
Yeah, page list also included at the end of the section.
Okay, bro. Thanks.
The page numbering should be happen properly like this. EPUB type. The placement can be changed anywhere. Sorry, this value is incorrect. It will be removed in the conversion. That's ID, role value, area label, and page EPUB type. Okay. This is the thing. Regarding to metadata, the tool will create a standard accessibility metadata. If you want to change, please give the instruction. I will add it. Okay. So currently we are adding alternative text in the letter stage. So we have added this minimal value, minimal accessibility metadata value. So this title information will be captured from the title page present in the package. So tool will check the title page. See, tool will check the EPUB type title page and go to the H1 and take the title from here. There is a subtitle, we will take it from here. Author name and all edition, whatever it is present in the title page, it will be captured to the metadata. This is the common value. This is a ISBN capture based on the user input from user here. It's the print ISBN, get it from the user here. The format 420 pages is based on that page number present in the document, last page number. This is the timestamp. So remaining, I think you know about this manifest and all. So this is the important thing. The spine order will be arranged based on the sequence number present in the file name. So if you made any mistake during the PDF split process and all, so here also will get the error. So you will get so you should split the PDF properly, then only you will get the proper file naming with this correct sequence. Then only the package will merge the EPUB file in the correct manner, correct sequence. Okay. So please keep it in mind. I think this is the error coming here. This is the incorrect thing. I will update it too. Okay. Universe, I have another meeting at 11 a.m. Universe. Okay. This is a demo about the packet creation. Do you have any questions?
Jeffrey, you have to jump to the another call. Please let him know if any questions. So I'm asking all the vendors. Hope you don't have any questions, right now. Okay, Bola. You can drop the call, Bola. We will explain the remaining. Bala Kumran, I'll write you email, Bala, regarding the updated tools. You can share it.
Okay, okay. Yes.
You can also drop it on calls. Nandini, explain the Spix tool process, Nandini.
Sharing my screen. Is it visible? I think yes. Okay. I'm going to explain Spix tool. Spix tool, it actually contains some validation points created internally. Uh, okay. We just usually we face some issues in XHTML files, right? Like there will be a wrong naming. For example, we have to place the figures after its first citation, but that case we have to check it manually, right? Based on the manual, we just collect the manual works and included the points in the sticks, and we have created the tool. If we run the sticks tool, it will throw the errors in the log. You have to check and clear those errors. Once you completed everything in the EPUB file, you completed the QC and you created the package, and you will validate, you will pass the file, right? After clearing all the errors in the EPUB, you have to run this tool. So there is a syntax for this tool. So hope everyone will receive this Spix tool. I think in that package you could see this spixvalley.exe. So the syntax is, first you have to include that exe part with that exe, and after that you have to give it is for input part, and after that you have to specify the client name. For CUP you have to mention like CUP EPUB, and this is the standard one. This is for final. We are doing this in final package, so you have to give this in standard. So this is one final EPUB. So I will going to run this Spix tool for this. For this, you just open the command prompt. We have to mention this Spix exe first. We have to include the Spix validation exe, and after that you have to give the input part. For this you have to give after this exe you have to give space and give -i. It is for input part. So this is the input for Spix validation. This EPUB should be error free. So I'm just including this EPUB with its part, and after that we have to specify the client name. Give space, give -c, and after this for the CUP EPUB, the client name is CUP EPUB. Based on this client name, we have some validation points, and it will be taken and cross-checked again those validation points. So you have to mention as CUP EPUB for this CUP. After that, you have to give -s and space ed. This is standard one. So this is the syntax for Spix validation, and then just give enter. Actually, it will take some time, some 5 or 10 minutes. If the Spix process is completed, you get the message like Spix validation completed here. if there are any error means you will get the log. Like in sometimes if the file contains some validation error, the Spix tool will not run. So in that case, you will get the error message in the log file. So once the Spix validation process is completed means you get the message as Spix validation completed. Otherwise, you will get the message like Spix validation failed. Okay, I took some old Spix log here. It will take some time. So for demo purpose, I take this. If the Spix process is completed, means you will get the message like Spix validation is completed, like that here. After that, in the EPUB part, you place the EPUB in one location, right? In that part, you will get the Spix log. Spix log. You just open the Spix log. It will show some error which are already included in our validation point. You just check the errors one by one, and you have to clear this. You just read. You have to just read the error message and have to clear all the errors and warnings. In some cases, we can ignore some errors like. mm, See, this is the missing link, right? So you have to check and provide link for this case. But in some case, there will be no part 2 in this particular file. So in that case, you can ignore this error. This is what I'm trying to say. For such cases, you can ignore the error and you just go to next. You just go to next error and check if it is. In some files, it is a error. If see this file contains see this file contains part 2. So you have to link this item, and if you link means this error will cleared. So if the part file is not present in this package means you can ignore this error. So likewise, you have to check all the points. You have to check all the points and clear the possible cases. If it is not possible means you can ignore the error, but you have to check all the errors listed out here. So once you clear all the errors, you have to run the Spix again. Run to check whether the errors are cleared or not. So just to ensure if it is done properly. So after clear this error, you have to send a file. You have to run a parsing again, and you have to send a file with EPUB with this Spix log and parsing log. Is it clear? And one more thing is, we just identified a few issues and included those points in this validation. If you feel to add any other points in this fix, you can share it with us. We will add and release the updated tool. Is it clear to everyone? You have to do this finally. You have to do this fix finally. Once you complete this HTML QC and you will create package and clear this validation error. After this, you have to run this fix. Any queries?
No queries, Nandini. I think all clear.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes,
Yes, Nandi. See, this is also an important phase. I mean, the fix we have where we have, controlled the sectoral oriented issues. So this has to be cleared at your end, and we need a file with a zero error. I mean, log with a zero error. Jeffrey,
Nibas.
see, we have almost covered all the process, and we explained with that sample. Hope everyone's clear, Jeffrey.
Yeah, I think so. It's all clear, and nobody raising their hands. That's question. I think we're all good,
Hi Nevis, office mail please check
and
none.
we'll just provide any further feedback if they will encounter any error issue during their process.
Okay, okay, Jeffrey. I'll pass the updated tools. Please send them to everyone. Jeffrey.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nibas.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, everyone.
Thank you, Jeff. Thank you.
Uh,
Thanks, Nandini.
thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.